welcome back to our YouTube channel. To my newbies, karibuni sana tena sana. To my oldies and my girlies, thank you so much for always coming back again and again. I hope this year is going to be a clean year, a healthy year for each and every one of us. So I pray for everybody in the whole world. Now, my tone is low because it's early in the morning. It's not yet 7 o'clock, and I am ready to leave for my corona test because it's the 2nd of January, and I am traveling on the 5th. So I need to get this test done today. So I wanted to leave at 6 o'clock, but it was kind of still raining. There was no electricity, so I was kind of scared. Yeah, so I think it's now time for me to leave, and I am having this cheetah. I don't know whether this is cheetah or leopard or elephant print, and I don't know whether you'll see. Yeah, with a brown trouser, not even a trouser, I think it's a 3/4, and rubbers. With this kind of weather, we need comfortable shoes that you can use for sliding, you know, when it's muddy. So let's see how the day goes. Have you noticed my eyebrows? I have not shaped them. I want to shape them the last day, or maybe today. I don't know, I'm not so sure. And this is what I'm having. That's my hairstyle. You wanna see the back? You can see the mask hanging, and I'm just leaving shortly, but coming back in a while, or in a few. And before I forget, today we are having beans. We're having beans and rice, I think. It has been our super busy day, but everything has an end. So just cooking, and then we can continue with the rest. So first you have to select your beans. Select, choose what you think is good for cooking or for eating, and leave what is not good. So I nearly forgot this process, although I have finished this. So I was just showing you what I am doing before washing the beans and putting them to the jiko. So you always need to select your beans, unless they're selected ones. There's some that are selected, but not all. So yeah. Now we add charcoal to the jiko. This is called the jiko, or a charcoal grill. This is also a grill. Our African grill. So we start with a small charcoal because they light up fast, and then we can add the big ones. Then down, let me show you. Down here we are going to add peppers. Don't worry. Don't worry. Add any kind of pepper. These peppers are the best for this kind of peppers. Then, using a matchbox or matchsticks, light that thing. After that, use anything that is flat. I'm going to use this because I don't have any other. make sure you pepper. We call this pepper. Pepper your keto until everything lights up. So I'm going to, how do we call this? Yes, pepper until it's on. Yani mpaka iwake. Sikuwaka ni on. So that's it. That's ready for cooking now. So we can get inside and start cooking. No water today. I just need to use a jug to clean my beans. So today I'm going to use this cooking pot for cooking our beans. So I'm just going to add the beans and then, oh, focus. Angalia hii camera. Sorry for that interruption. So I'm going to use this pot for preparing our beans. So I'm just going to put the beans inside and then add water. I said there's no water, so we just need a jug and all right. So we'll cook this for some time and then we can drain the water and fry our beans the way we want. Wow. Just wow. So food is ready. Let me taste. Bent. Well. Rice and beans, delicious and very healthy. Wow. Before I forget, my results are out already. They sent me a message and I checked my email and I am corona free. So negative. That means I am traveling on the 5th. So I'll travel and then just go and quarantine again. And that's it. I can report back to work. So if you like this video, of course you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, comment,